Okay.
Hi, this is Chanel from the Floss Tube here. And I just finished a long day in the workshop and I need to get these hands clean because I need to go to a date. So I don't have a basin with water or hand soap anywhere near me now. So what I'm going to use is the Finixa Impregnated cleaning wipes. This is very easy to use, just to clean these hands. And my hand sure doesn't need it. So you can use this to get rid of grease, oil, all that nasty stuff. For now it is coming off. Very easy. There we go. And now I'm all clean and ready for my date. So just a little bit of a sneaky information about these cards. I also find it very useful with my makeup, get in those hard to find places as well. And when you go to the toilet and you run out of toilet paper and you don't want to use your socks, use these bad boys.